Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Royal Mail to Shopify. So all you have to do is head over to parcel.royalmail.com, and from here, just create an account just by clicking on this register for click and drop button. And from here, just answer all the questions being asked, then just click on next. So from here, let's just head over by clicking this register here link. And from here, just fill out all the necessary information. Then once done creating your account, just head over to sign in. So from here, all you have to do is just fill in all the necessary details about your address and your phone number. Then once done, just click on save. Once you're done, just head over to settings, then click on integrations. And from here, just click on add a new integration and just choose Shopify. So if you're accessing this through your mobile phone, you will be redirected with this button that will direct you to the click and drop app. And from there, all you have to do is just log in with your Shopify admin credentials to authorize the connection, and your Shopify orders will then be automatically imported into click and drop. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!